Okay.
All right, tell me when you're ready.
Just a second.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, sorry. Good save, guy. Is that the same battery?
I ain't got no control. No control. Oh, that one hit in hard. Yeah, I had no control whatsoever. We got hog wire running across here, so I gotta get a low spot to cross. All right, let me get a basic line on it. There it is over there. All right, I'm gonna pause the camera. All right, there it is coming up on the crash scene. And from where I was standing, it looked like it came in and went straight on to the news. Yeah, it busted the fuselage for sure. Cockpit. Oh, I'll undo the battery here. Well, actually not that bad if I could find the pieces that busted out. Maybe one. Alright, so we've got a nice hole there, nice hole there. Separation of the air vent. And that is about it. Not sure why I lost control of it. I didn't have any response at all on the throttle. And it definitely isn't that far. So let me look around for the other foam. Thanks for watching.